Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You are looking with me on the beautiful 2006 Toyota Highlander Limited. This one is the 4-wheel drive. I just did for the owner drain and refill on the automatic transmission. The fluid was almost perfect, so that was our conclusion. It wasn't a flush, just drain and refill. And we are continuing with a 4-wheel drive service. Well, this V6 engine made it to the automatic transmission, doesn't have a front differential, and it's the transfer case that works as transferring the power to the front wheels, to the front CV axles, and the rear differential and rear wheels. So let's go see how easy is to get to the transfer case 24mm bolts. And I already said it, it's not easy. This is the filler and the level, and look at it, it's really buried there. I will show you what I have used, but it was kind of hassle to get there. So again, filler, level, and then the drain, it's on the bottom here. That's definitely easier. However, it's very close to the casing here, so you can even see scratches there. Let's see how easy it will be to crack that open and drain it. And to get a 24mm socket down there for that filler, it didn't look like it will happen because this exhaust here. So I used actually 24mm wrench, and that helped me there. Let's see if it can also. I have it loose. Nobody need to freak out that I will be not able to fill it later, but just for sake of the people who are really always afraid for the safety, you can see it off. Here it is, that's what we were looking at. So this is the level and the filler removed. It's very slightly dripping, that means the level was just perfect, and I will try to crack open that drain. And if I'm correct, I'm sure you saw it, let me get the rubber gloves for this. So here is the glove. I don't expect very much coming out of it. I don't think the volume will be much over 1 quart, but let's see. Let me erase this first so we don't have a splatter all over that camcorder and so on. Yeah, but then you will not see it shoots. Ah, yeah, these are the problems of the filming. I want to show it to you, but I need to protect my gear too. Can you see it coming out? Probably not. There is definitely some stuff on the magnet, which is right here, and I will show you detail of it later. Maybe now you can see it coming nicely, easily. So again, nothing special, this service, except in this case 2006 Highlander 4-wheel drive. The access to the bolts is definitely not ideal. Again, trying not to ruin my gear, but look, there is definitely, you see it on the bottom, shavings, very fine mud of the steel shavings. So that will be wiped off. I will clean it, put a new crush washer on it when I will be closing it. So definitely there was a good reason to do this service on the time. Excellent. Here you can see that drain bolt, drain plug with the magnet, and it's ready to go back. Now, how do you find out how much oil it needs when you don't have that owner's manual? Well, I have a counter on it on my device here. You see it from, you know it from different videos. So I will just keep pumping until it will overflow. I will hold it the way it can overflow, and then it's the stop. So I will measure it for you. Also, I believe all of you know that you can go on toyota.com and you can actually go underneath the owners, I believe, and Toyota is providing you with the PDF owner's manuals. So I could go there and tell you the number, but I will just measure it here using my device. So I have a, what is it, 3 quarts of the quart. I will check if it's overflowing. It's not. So let's continue. I'm going towards to the first quart. Looking at the size of the, yeah, and look at it. Yep. So I slightly overfill it. You can hear it running. Correct. Maybe you can even see it. Sorry for this angle, but this is a problem. Okay, it's slowing down. It's only dripping. So it was basically like 0.8 of the quart. What did I put in it? A GL5 full synthetic 75W90. So that wasn't so bad, except the access to these two 24mm bolts. It's a little bit tricky. So that will be about this service. So I hope you find this video helpful, and please be subscribed because I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.